So you can buy the most expensive rifle or the most expensive glass, but if you don't install this correctly, then you're just throwing money down the drain. And a lot of guys, they'll take this to a gunsmith and pay like $50 to $100 to make sure they don't strip any threads or make sure it's aligned correctly. But honestly, it's not really about saving money. It's more about making sure that it's set right for your body and your eye relief. So today I'm going to show you how to mount your scope like a pro. Step by step, no shortcuts, no strip screws. Let's get started. Before we touch the rifle, here are the tools we need. We need a torque wrench, torque screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, a level. If you don't have a level, you could use a string and something weighted. You could also use Loctite, but make sure you check the manufacturer first. Okay, the first step is to prep and install it onto the base. Before I start this video, I made sure that it was clear and there's no ammunition around, but we'll check it again. No magazine, bolt is to the back, and nothing in the chamber. So once you have the rifle on its stand, I bought this from Walmart. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like 18 or 20 bucks. So you'll grab a level, set it on the rifle itself to make sure the rifle is level. So now what you can do is you could get your mount. You want to take these top rings off. So that's where you'll get your normal screwdriver. Then we're going to remove the top mount. And what I'm going to do is position these the way they're supposed to be on the mount. So this will be in the front. And then this one will be for the back. So as you can see, there's no Loctite on these screws. So I'll probably get some blue Loctite and put them on. So now what you want to do is you're going to install your mount. Now this is just going to be temporary while we adjust to figure out our eye relief. So I'm just going to hand tighten these a little bit. Now we're going to put the scope on. And then what we do is put the mounts. And then we're just going to hand tighten these just a little bit, just to hold them. And again, all we're doing is trying to find the position where the scope needs to be for your eye. Next one on. Okay, as I look at this, I could see that I probably need to move the mount up, maybe one, and then scoot this up a little bit. So we'll just undo these. I'm going to go up one. We'll go up one, hand tighten that a little bit. Take a look at this. Actually, I could probably go up one more. Now, you want to make sure that you stay on the upper receiver. You do not want to mount it where the barrel's at. So we'll try this. And then I'm going to unloosen these a little bit. and put it like that. Tighten them back up. And again, I'm just lightly tightening them. Make sure that doesn't move. Okay, with this on, now I'm going to check for eye relief. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is pick up the rifle. So now you're going to shoulder it, and then you're going to close your eyes, pick the rifle up, and look through the scope. So if you see dark circles around it, then you're going to go back and forth to see if you need to move the scope back or forward. So I need to move the scope back a little bit. Let's try this again. Yes, so if I move my head up, I can see perfect. So that means the scope needs to go back. So if you have a dark ring around it, then it's not where it needs to be. So then you'll have to adjust it. So all I have to do is move this. And I'm going to go back one spot. Make this back one. Tighten it. And then let's try it again. So pick the rifle up. Shoulder it. Close your eyes. Put your cheek where it needs to be. And then look. That is perfect right there. That's exactly what I want. So now it's aligned to my eye and my body. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to torque these. I'm probably going to make a little mark so I know exactly where it needs to go. And then I'll have to take these back off because I'm going to put some blue Loctite on these screws. Okay, so now I'm going to make my mark. Just a small mark so I know where it needs to go. Okay. Now we're going to take these back off. So I'm taking the back off first because all the weight is in the back of the scope. So once I start taking this off, be careful, make sure you hold it so it doesn't flip over. And again, I'm going to put this in the back because it goes in the back of the scope. Take these off. So now you want to level your rifle. Okay. And then you want to level your mount. That's good. So when you tighten these, push the mount back as far as it can. And then just hand tighten it. Still good. Push it back and tighten the bolt. We'll take the torque wrench at 65 inches per pound. Verify it. And then there it goes. Okay, now that the mount is on, everything's level, I'm gonna go get some Loctite, so then we could put the scope on. All right, now we got some blue Loctite. We'll put a little bit on these screws. and it just needs a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to do 4 for now. Set the scope. Line it up to your marks. Put the top one on. And then we're just going to lightly hand tighten. Screw. And go in a diagonal pattern. Just lightly thread it in. Okay. Another cool thing that what they have is you can see this line right here. That is your level line. So what you do is turn the scope until that is level. You also want to check the gaps in the mount. Make sure it's even on both sides. Then we're going to loosen this one a little bit. Check line level again. Check both sides. Those look good. So now we're going to put your other 2 screws in. And then just lightly screw those in. Okay. Get your other mount. Put a little bit of Loctite on it. Go ahead and put it on 2 screws. Probably a little too much on that one. So just take some of that off. And let's put 1 screw in here. Tighten that a little bit. And you're just tightening enough to where the threads catch. Okay, let's do the last 2 screws. So now what you'll do is get your torque screwdriver. So this says it needs to be at 25 inch-pounds. So we will adjust this to 25 inch-pounds, which I already have. We want to check it with the level. So you're going to take your cap off, level your rifle first, because, you know, especially with the mount like this where you don't clamp it in, it will move on you. So let's make sure that is level. Perfect. And now put this on the scope. So right now the scope is not level. Right there is level. So let's try the rifle again. Rifle's good. And we'll do level on the scope. Scope is good. So now I'm going to keep this level on here and lightly tighten these. Move just a little bit on me. Okay. Since I moved that, I'm going to check the rifle again. Okay, that's good. Okay, both are good. So now I'm going to tighten this. Just lightly hand tighten it. Just trying to make it snug so it won't come on level on you. Still good. Okay, level and level. Okay, so now what we're going to do is torque this down to spec. So it's 25 inches per pound. We'll start in the back. There we go. Go in a diagonal pattern. There we go. Let me check that level again. Still good. Then we'll do the front. It's good. Now let's check that level. Good. And good. Let's cap back on so we don't lose it. Okay, now what can you do if you don't have a level? So you could take some string, you could tie this to like your ceiling or a tree, and then you'll tie something heavy at the end of it. So I just use a wrench, and then you'll wait for it to stop swinging. And what you're going to do is you're going to line up your scope, so the line that goes vertical, and make sure it lines up straight with this line. And just like that, you're completely locked in. Your scope is level, your eye relief is set for your posture, your screws are torqued to stay secure for recoil, and now you're off to the range. Let's sight this in, and you're good to go. So that's all I have for the day. Have a good one.